Hi guys, today I will introduce a special feature which you will get from NCE FAN GPon NMS. So you will get all unconfigured ONT on common place. So if you have 10 to 20 OLT attached in this NMS, and if you don't know which ONT connected to which OLT, so if you want, you can get all unconfirmed ONT in a single one place. So how you find that? So go to resource. Here you see this is OLT 1 and port 1 and unconfirmed ONT serial is 5983 is last digit. So first go resource, then access resource. From access resource you see here some menu. From GPon section, GPon menu. Then GPon menu you see here GPon menu auto discovery. So click here and then filter your, if you want you can filter by ONT serial number. If you don't have any information, just click OK, and it will automatically bring all OLT unconfirmed ONT from this list. So from this list, then right click and confirm menu. Then it will configure as per regular process. Click here, your select profile, line profile. From here you select service profile, then click this tick mark, this locate to menu list, and click OK. It will bring your menu list, and click here find to get ONT status change. You see here one line active, normal, and message status mass. Now click this double arrow, and from service port you configure here service port. From track transform translate VLAN ID 1920, multi-service VLAN 1920, and OK. You can see here ONT status, ONT power, ONT receive power is -7.2, and OLT RX ONT power -9.91. From here you see ONT Ethernet port status. Any device not connected at this moment, so that's why it's showing red, means down. Thank you.